In a few minutes, you're going to be able to create your own website where people can interact with the objects or images inside your website using just their hand gestures. I'm going to show you what I did and how you can create the same. These two circles are actually my hands. And when I pinch, I can move it. And when I release my hand, I stop dragging the object. So pinch, drag, release. First, we're going to open Framer and go to a new project. I go to the plugins icon, press it, and look for a workshop. Once I press workshop, a conversation opens. And what I'm going to do right now is just paste a code that I created in Claude. The code is found below in the link under this YouTube video. Then Framer might ask me, should I create this component in Framer, review or improve the code? I'm just going to reply with yes, that I wanted to create this component in Framer. And depending on your internet, this might take a bit of time, but it's not going to exceed more than like 4 or 5 minutes. Again, depends on your internet. All right, so what we have here is the component on the left side. I'm just going to drag it and put it inside my frame, and then I'm going to expand it a bit. So right now, if I press play, start hand tracking. These are my two hands. It's so cool. You're going to notice that nothing is happening. I'm unable to drag this, any image. We're going to go back to our workshop plugin conversation. So if I press something doesn't look right, it's going to generate this text. And workshop is going to figure out why some things are not working in this component. If there are bugs, it's going to remove it. Then what we're going to do here is go to the right side where I can replace the images with anything that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and start uploading my images, my flowers. And then for the main background, if I want to change the image, I'll just go here, BG image, and I have my own image created, and voila! To start. There you have it. Super easy. We're done. So you can replace your images, do whatever you want, be creative. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a subscribe and a like button, and see you in the next one. And you can find everything related to this project in the link below. See ya!